Welcome back guys to another juice video. Here I have 3 different colors of carrots. So we're going to be juicing. So I have lemon and I have ginger, orange, purple and yellow carrots. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, so I went ahead and I scraped the carrots and washed them, so I'm going to go ahead now and dice the carrots up.
Subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC.
Now that I've finished cutting up all the carrots, I'm going to go ahead now and add the carrots to my blender. Here I'm adding the ginger. I'll add my water. Okay, so I finished straining it off and this is what I got. So time to blend the next set of carrots. Here you have it guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sweeten the carrot juice, and you can sweeten it to your own liking, okay? You can use honey or you can use sugar to sweeten your carrot juice. Here you have it guys, 3 different types of carrots. This is very amazing guys. Try out the recipe. It's very simple and easy, healthy, and carrot has a lot of great health benefits in it. Carrot is good for your skin, it's good for your eyes, and it is also good for your hair. Okay, so make your juice and drink your carrot juice daily. Thank you so much for your support, and to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to Carla's Kitchen CC. Please share the video out guys, like the video, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss out on my next upload. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Thank you so much. Walk good, be good, and good will always follow you. And I'll see you again in another video. Bye guys.